Oh, there you are, welcome back to another Noble Courses video. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be seeing how to create a tower defense game. Basically, we're going to be learning all about path navigators for the zombies to go around the path while we try to eliminate them from our tower. We have something very exciting planned out, and stick to the last part of the video. See you all, and let's get started. There we go. So the first step that we're going to do, we're going to go to view, and from view we need to open up the Explorer and Properties window. We're not going to use this right now, but we're going to be using them later on. So make sure that you all have the Explorer and Properties window open. Then all that we need to do is we're going to be adding a block. You can change the color, and you can also change the material of this to any color that you want. I'll just leave it as green for now. But then make sure to anchor the part. When we anchor a part, we'll freeze it where it is, so it doesn't move around. Then we're going to click on scale, and we're going to make a path for all the zombies and the different monsters to pass across. I will speed this part, but we can use a lazy method and duplicate the parts. And then we can always rotate them as well. So go ahead, I'm going to speed up this process. You can pause the video. So there we go, we have our path for all the zombies and the different monsters to pass through. And the next step is going to be to add the actual zombies as well. So for us to add these zombies, all that we need to do is go to the toolbox and we're going to search for a zombie. But this doesn't have to be just a zombie. You can do cats, you can do dogs, you can do plants, anything that you can imagine, you can also make it work with this. But for today, I will be using the drooling zombie. It's also verified by Roblox. And once you have your character, all that you need to do is open it up from the Explorer window. So click the small triangle, and if there are any scripts, remove all of them. Even go down to the animations, and you can delete both animations. Once we have that in place, we're going to place the drooling zombie in the beginning of the path, and all that's left to do basically is we need to add some parts. Now what these parts will do, we're going to be telling the zombie to walk to this part. Then we need another part at every corner. So the zombie touches the part and goes to the other one, goes to the other, and keep on doing this until they reach the end. So for this we will need to add a folder as well to the game, just to keep everything organized. And to do it, we're going to click plus on workspace and add a folder. Once you have the folder, I'm going to move the part into the folder, and I'm going to rename this folder to PathFinder. And the parts, I'm just going to rename them to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, depending on how many parts you will have. I will speed up this process. Make sure to anchor as well the parts, and you can skip this part as well. There we go. So right now we have all the parts where the zombie needs to walk to. So we'll touch the first part, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then the last one at the end. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. We're going to be writing down the script to talk to the computer and tell the computer what to do as well. For this, click on your character, click on your model, and you're going to click the plus sign next to it and add a script. And what we want to tell the computer is we want to create first two variables. I'm going to speed up this process. The script will also be in the chat. So when I told it to in the variable PathFinder, it's the one referring to the folder, make sure that the names match. And what we're telling the computer in this loop, every time you're going to add 1. So in the PathFinder, it's going to start from 1, then go to the 2, add 1, 3, add 1, 4, until we reach the final one. Now I will be leaving down the script in the chat, but make sure that all the spelling and all the words match whatever you named yours. So all that's left for now is to test out the game, make sure that it's working. And there it is. So he's going to touch the first one, second one, third one, and keep on going till the last one. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, the final part of this video. I will be editing it and fixing it just to make it look a bit better. I hope that everybody enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed, make sure to like and also subscribe, because we'll be uploading much more videos as well, just like this. Now if there is a video that you want to see or something that you would like to learn, just leave it down in the comments and I will be doing it as well.